What's up everyone, RedSn0w here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to jailbreak 4.3.3 iOS for all of the devices. Now this jailbreak is tethered, so that means every time your device turns off you're going to need to head over to your computer and actually re-jailbreak it, or basically tether boot it through RedSn0w. It's not that bad, but if you are a person who uses your phone or your device a lot and it runs out of battery all the way down to 0, then you might want to either reconsider updating, or if you've already updated, you might want to bring your computer around or a charger to actually just charge your device when it's getting close to 0. So the jailbreak's really easy. It's nothing different from anything really before. So you're just going to basically download RedSn0w. All of these links will be in the description. You're going to need RedSn0w, and you're going to need 4.3.2 firmware. Now I did say 4.3.2, so that's the previous firmware that we just had, not 4.3.3. But with 4.3.3 iOS, you're going to want to update your device to that firmware. So my iPhone right here is on 4.3.3, and on my desktop or my folder I have 4.3.2 IPSW. So I'll have the link to where to download the IPSW, and yeah, that will be in the description below. So let's go ahead and just open up RedSn0w. Once again, this is tethered, guys. So if you don't want to update and be tethered, stay at 4.3.2. So go ahead and open up RedSn0w. Once again, the link will be in the description. And once you have RedSn0w opened up, let's just go ahead and get to our 4.3.2 IPSW, which should be right here, actually. 4.3.2 right there. Okay, so then RedSn0w will normally just process the firmware right here, and after that's done you can just go ahead and click next. So your device should be plugged in, so the RedSn0w software can actually recognize what firmware you're on and all of that. And you're going to get to this screen, and you're just going to go ahead and install Cydia. As you can see, it's checked marked right here. And you're going to go ahead and click next. And right here, RedSn0w will tell you to put the device into off mode. So just go ahead and turn your device off right now. Slide to power off, nothing special. And make sure that the device is plugged in first before you turn it off. So once again, RedSn0w recognizes where it is. So we're going to go ahead and click next, and we're going to put our device into DFU mode. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and open up my photo booth so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and click next right now, and I'm going to hold the power button in the corner for 3 seconds, then hold the home button for 10 seconds. Now your device should have the Apple logo right now, and after this is done, you're going to release the power button. Go ahead and release the power button, but keep holding home. And once RedSn0w recognizes that it is in DFU, you can go ahead and let go of the home button. So right here, it will be doing all of the stuff RedSn0w needs to do and rebooting your phone. Afterwards, everything will be doing everything on your phone. So you're going to see the Pawn Apple, as people mentioned before, running on your phone, and all of the kernels and everything and all of the code, as you can see here, basically running through your device and jailbreaking it. So yeah, the untethered jailbreak should be out within a week or two. They usually release it within a week or two, or sometimes even within the first few days. This is just a small firmware update, so I'm sure it'll be sooner rather than later. I don't think Apple really blocked anything for jailbreakers. So yeah, this also takes away the location services glitch or bug, whatever you want to call it. It's not really a bug, just Apple was storing your location data in their database, and basically if you turn that off now, it will delete everything in the database, so Apple won't really know where you are. And yeah, people got pissed at that. There was a South Park episode, so you know it's serious. So yeah, I have the Pawn Apple running right here. Nothing too different from previous jailbreaks. It will just run the loading bar, and once the loading bar is done, we should be able to see Cydia on our home screen. And I'll also show you guys how to boot tethered. It just finished, so I'm going to stay here. Your phone should be rebooting, and I'm going to keep talking. Now, I do want to mention one more thing. If you're using Windows for this, you're going to want to go into the properties of RedSn0w. Just basically right-click on RedSn0w and click Properties. So just go ahead and right-click the RedSn0w file. It won't work on Mac. But if you're using Windows XP, you're going to want to go into Compatibility, the Compatibility tab at the top, and you're going to want to use Service Pack 3. If you're using Vista, you're going to want to use Service Pack 2, but that's of course for Windows users. So let's go ahead and slide to unlock right here, and as you can see we have Cydia right there. It's a white icon. I'm sure if I rebooted my phone the Cydia icon will be back. I'm just going to show you guys how to tether boot in this video, and I'll also make a separate video so you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and open up RedSn0w once again, and we're going to find the IPSW once again, which is the 4.3.2 IPSW, and we're going to go ahead and click Next. So I have my phone powering on now because I'm not really sure. And you're just going to go ahead and click Just Boot Tethered right now. So we're going to go ahead and power the phone off. So it does need to be powered off. It does. Alright, it's powered off. We're going to go ahead and click Next, and we're going to do the same thing once again. And we're going to do the same thing once again. Just go ahead and put it into DFU mode. And when RedSn0w tells you to stop doing that, you're just going to go ahead and release the home button, or the power button. And RedSn0w should recognize it right now, and your device should boot right after this. So that's basically what the tethered boot is, guys. Right there. Waiting for reboot. And now it's rebooting. Should be powering on. Let's go ahead and slide to unlock right now. And there we go. There's Cydia. Oh, look, it opened. So it's going to basically restore the file systems, or preparing the file system, and then it turns off, and then you can open up Cydia and do all your tweaks and all of that. So yeah, guys, that was the tethered version of the 4.3.3 iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad jailbreak. This works on all of the devices except for the iPad 2. There is no iPad 2 jailbreak yet. It is a different boot ROM, so we're going to have to wait for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was easy, and hope you guys are now jailbroken successfully. Once again, I would stay away from the tethered jailbreak just because it's annoying, but if it doesn't bother you, then there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just a jailbreak that's tethered that you just need to boot up from your computer. So if that doesn't bother you, go ahead and update and jailbreak. If you do require an unlock, then do not update. Do not ever update. Preserve your baseband if you're going to update. And yeah, that's about it, guys. As always, please be sure to leave any comments, questions, suggestions, anything like that below. Please be sure to give a thumbs up, favorite the video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later.